Titles and thumbnails. The reason these are important is because it's the first thing people see before clicking on your video. You don't see the video first, you see the title and thumbnail. You read the title to see if you want to watch it, and then you look at the thumbnail just to see other stuff. So you can't be titling your videos like Rook Mode Activated or or Headshots Are for Pros or Beast Mode. Like you have to title your videos stuff people would search. Like you're not going on YouTube and searching Rook Mode Activated. You'd search for Rook Free Fire. You'd go watch like people like them. You wouldn't be searching for this. Like you wouldn't be doing that kind of stuff. And thumbnails, they are also important. Is because like they're really what people are looking at first. They see the thumbnail, and if you have a really bad thumbnail, uh, they might not click just because of the thumbnail. But I don't think thumbnails are that important anymore. I think you have to have a great title for starters. You need to have a decent thumbnail, but it doesn't need to be like one of the best thumbnails in the world. You just have to have a thumbnail that really represents what it is, no more than that. The titles, though, the titles are so important because the titles are what shows up when people search. Like, if you have beast mode and that's it with a few hearts and stuff, no one's searching beast mode with hearts. No one who just puts in beast mode and hits enter or on your phone does that. Like, you're not doing that. You're searching for like headshot montages or like stuff like that. Like, you're not searching for all these titles. You have to think about what people would search, not what you think a title should be. Like, you have to remember that this is not for you, it's for your viewers. You need to have stuff your viewers want to search and watch. So that's just a quick little thing about those. Thumbnails doesn't have to be the best thing in the world. Just make a quick little thumbnail that really represents. But the title is the most important part because it's like the thing they read before they watch the video.